In this video, I'm going to show you how we can download the Microsoft Visual Studio in our system. First of all, just type the download Visual Studio and then you can click on the first link. After clicking here, you can see the community version, professional version and enterprises version. We can use the community version for free download. Just click on the free download option. So after clicking there, your download will start from here. I have already downloaded this set of file. So don't confuse guys, there is another one that is Visual Studio Visual Studio Code. So this is different things. This is the light code editor and this is the integrated development environment. So I have already installed in my system. If I go to the download option, you can see this is my set of file, installer file. You can just double click here, and after clicking here, you can see we have to now click on the continue option. If you get any confusion during the installation of the Visual Studio, you can see my another video. So you can see through the clicking on the I button, or you can see link in the description. That video will help you to installation process. So if you get any error, you can watch that video. Otherwise, you can continue this video. Now we reach into this page. Whatever we want, we can choose from here. I need the .NET desktop development option only now. So I can click here. Or if I need other things, then I can choose the another one, and you can see the size is also increasing from here. So after clicking here, I have already installed. So this option show me the modify option. You have the install option. So click on your install option. I'm clicking here the modify option. So after clicking here, our downloading operation will start and install operation will start from here. So after completion of the download, I'll join with you. Now you can see our installation and download process is completed. So we can click on the launch option and we can use the Microsoft Visual Studio 2022. And after in this video, we'll start our coding part. So thank you so very much for watching this video. Thank you.